Hey there friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would chat as I did a little flip through of what I call my Oasis book. This was an art journal that I had bought and just modified and collaged and painted in, but I wanted to make space in it for also taking notes. Lots of people question whether or why people have art journals. Do they journal in them? Do they use them as diaries? Or is it just for pages of art? And why isn't it called a sketchbook? Well, for this one, I did leave room, not for journaling, but I used it for notes during my small group, which was called Oasis. So that's why I've named it my Oasis journal. You can see I embellished a lot of pages, and some pages don't have space for journaling and notes, but lots do. So I encourage you that if you're making an art journal and you want to write in it, go ahead. You can see there I used gesso to just kind of white out some spots on the pages that had too much color, and those left really nice places for writing. Some pages I drew lines on them to help me in my writing, and others I just left blank and wrote my notes freeform. I used collage and paint and stickers, image transfers, you name it. It's probably been done in here. And I really like working in this little book. It is a long stitch leather bound book that I had gotten probably over a decade, for sure over a decade ago at a music festival. Could have been close to 20 years ago. And it just had this cheap copy paper in it that I didn't really enjoy working on. It was flimsy and I didn't know what to do. So I ended up gluing 2 or 3 pages together to make sturdier pages, and that's what then I painted on. And I really love working in this book while I'm taking my notes. It's inspirational. There's bits of color. I feel like I can fill a page of notes really easily without having to write an entire page of notes because there's art in it too. So I encourage you that you can write in your book and art in your book at the same time. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next week with a new video. Have a good one. Bye.